Hey guys, David here with a quick walkthrough video of CoinFello. So first off, go to app.coinfello.com and log in using either your wallet or your email or phone number. For me, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my test wallet. I would highly recommend that you do provide this email address because this is how you'll stay in the know about some of the different automations that you might be setting up. The first thing you'll see is our homepage where we've got some interesting bits of information in here around the market, what's trending in the market currently, along with some of the other categories that you see here. Let's go ahead and do a test transaction. And then now I am swapping one USDC on base to ETH on base. Now we see this swap completed successfully. Besides this, you'll be able to look at your portfolio view here, some of the transactions that you're taking. You'll be able to set up automations. For me, I went ahead and set up an automation to buy ETH on base on a weekly cadence using my USDC on base. And then lastly, but definitely not the least, we've got opportunities or earn page. So you'll see here that I've got 3 active positions open, and then I'm also able to see all the opportunities that are available. If you guys have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to your team by clicking on the support button. We'll be able to respond back to you within 1 business day. All right, thanks again, guys.